If you create your free account in Kahoot and go to Discover, you can do keyword searches for the topics you're teaching or you're looking for a little review and reinforcement on. So here I searched out story elements. Some of them require purchase, but you can look at the free ones, preview them, look at the number of questions, look at the quality of the questions, and see if they align with what you're teaching. And if they do, you can duplicate it and it will go in your library. Once it's in your library, you have the ability to go through and edit any of the questions, shorten it if you want to, so this Kahoot becomes yours in essence. So to play the Kahoot, you have a few different options. I could start it, and then we play it live as a group, and you'll get a preview of that in a minute. Or you can assign it so that it's self-guided play. When you do this, it gives the students a chance to do individual practice, play over and over again. You can either copy the URL or the game pin. They have iPad apps for this. They can put the game pin in, or you can assign it through Google Classroom. The biggest benefit of the assigned Kahoots is that students can practice. You can also create your own Kahoot, and you can create them so that they are lessons. So perhaps you go in and create a Kahoot that asks a question to gain prior knowledge or just to see what students understand of the topic. And then you can create slides in here, much like you would Google Slides, with the topic at hand, teach using these slides, and then insert other questions as you go. So this is multiple choice, as you can see, and you do have the ability to create your own from scratch. So just so you know what it looks like, on the left is the teacher view, and I did a 3 button up here, new incognito window, to give it a new account that's not logged in. So student view on the right, teacher view on the left. I started the Kahoot, the game pin comes up. On the student account or device, it will look the same on an iPad. They put in the game pin, and they enter, typing in their nickname or name. So Kahoot is a little bit unique in that if you're playing as a whole group, on the left is what's projected. So you'll see in a second. Students get the questions projected but not on their device. This can be an issue for students with learning difficulties. Notice the timer is set for 30 seconds. You can change that too. So you look for the correct answer and you plug it in on the student device based on the shape. So it will show you the results. I'm going to go on to the next. It also does give you a chance to bring the question up to discuss it further. So let's see what happens if we get it wrong. So again, we read our answer choices, and 30 seconds may not be long enough for some of your kids. You can change that. If you get it wrong, it tells you so. So your answer streak is lost, but you're still on the podium. So that is a quick peek at Kahoot. I think we'll do one more here. And at the end, it does give you a brief report. This is not great for pulling a grade from. This is great for engaging the whole class in review, exit tickets, extra practice.